If your medical practice is an S Corp, there might be a few things that are not being categorized correctly in your financial records. And in this video, I will go over how to correctly categorize your health insurance and your wages. Hi, I'm Laurie from Madison Ave Bookkeeping. I've been in business for over 20 years, and my company specializes in solo psychiatry practices. All right, let's get started. Okay, let's talk about S Corps and understanding payroll setup as well as health insurance for yourself as the officer of your corporation, your S Corp corporation. There's a couple things that need to be allocated a little differently when this is your setup. So I'm going to show you, this is 1 month P&L on a demo file. All right, so whenever you post payroll inside of your QuickBooks for your S Corp, you have to make sure you differentiate your salary from any employees you have. Maybe you have an admin, maybe you have a biller, anyone like that. Their payroll and your payroll cannot be combined. So if you notice here, I have officer salary, and then here I have staff wages. So make sure you break those two pieces out. Employer payroll tax does not need to be broken out. And then the other piece is, and this is really important, and I don't think you should wait till year end to do it. I think you should do it on a monthly basis. You need to tell your payroll company how much health insurance is being paid for on your behalf. And it has to actually be reported as wages on your W-2. So this is a little tricky, but make sure that this gets reported. It won't be run through your payroll company, but I want you to categorize it as wages. And then you should report this on your payroll each month so that you your income tax withholding isn't massively out, and you don't have to do like a big payroll in the last week of the year. So some people run a big payroll in the last week of the year to catch up and capture all of these expenses paid for you, such as your health insurance or your dental, like anything like that. So when you're categorizing or you're having your bookkeeper categorize, make sure that your portion of the health insurance is put here on, into the wages section, and that you allocate staff insurance separately. So remember, your health insurance needs to be included up in the part of wages, and the other health insurance for the rest of your company would be here under the insurance expense. I hope this makes sense. And if you need any help with your QuickBooks or are looking to find a new bookkeeper, Madison Ave Bookkeeping specializes specifically in solo psychiatry practices. All right, have a great day.